what do you want the fans to get out of this film?
Inspiration. Anyone can do it. You put in the work, you put in the time, you believe yourself, you don't listen to doubt, and you carry on and achieve greatness. And that's it. I hope people from the middle of nowhere that should not be on red. My people shouldn't be on no red carpet, shouldn't be on this stage. But we are now. So I hope people can take inspiration from that. Thank you.
You work for Tony or Nate? How proud a moment is this for you to do?
Unbelievable. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of my whole team, my family, my people. I'm proud of everyone that's been on this journey with me. It's been one hell of a roller coaster. A roller coaster of hard work, long hours, with no praise, no reward, and then we get it. You know what I mean? So I'm very proud.
What does it mean to have your people, the people of this city?
Unbelievable. I mean, look at the amount of people that is out here. Unbelievable. I'm blown away. I tried to get as many pictures, as many autographs, because I know they've been waiting out here. That's fan love, and I appreciate that. And you know, now that I say this and say in my head, I'm going to do another little lap of it. And I was a fighter. That must continue for me to continue. Otherwise, I've got many entities and many other interests that I can carry on. Also, I'm already set for life, so they must entice me. But we're in negotiations. I certainly love to fight. I certainly have a belt to defend. I'm certainly interested in that. We're in negotiations there.
You had to apologise today for comments you made. Will it make you think in future about what you say?
I apologise and that's it. I let it go. I've said my piece and that's it. Some people accept it, some people don't. All I need to do is...
Yeah, so it's great and we're delighted to have it here. What's the martial arts?
Also, you're the guy who knows what we're talking about. So we're very good friends in the UK actually. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, we went there for one.
No, it's funny, I haven't actually seen the movie yet, so I don't really know what to expect. But I do know that, you know, a lot of people, what they know of Conor is sound bites and see him at press conferences. You're not going to be able to keep up that level of energy the whole time. There is another side where he's sitting down watching TV or whatever. But I have heard good things, and I do know we get to see him dealing with losses as well. And that's a big side that I'm glad people get to see, that winning is easy. Everybody can win, but it's how you deal with a loss. And that's, I believe, what this story's about. Yeah, I think it gives them an appreciation that sometimes and I've seen Conor's victims on the end of it, that when he beats somebody, they give them a hard time on social media. And I really hate seeing that, because these guys have, you know, have stepped in there in that arena that's, you know, it's a full contact sport, it's all in, and they've trained their best, they give it their best shot, and sometimes they come up short. I mean, every fighter, there's a winner and a loser. And I always encourage fans, like, celebrate the win. Don't give the loser a hard time, because it's rough.
So guys, is this the best rags to riches story ever?
It must be. I mean, certainly in an Irish context, it's amazing to see Conor's journey. But the thing is, it happened so quickly for him. You know, his fame just exploded, and look where it is now. So we're delighted to hold the world premiere here in Dublin in the Savoy Cinema, and really looking forward to putting the film out there.
But yeah, it's true. I just think sometimes you have to stop and appreciate where Conor's come from. You know, he had nothing, and now he's one of the richest sportsmen in the world. He's one of the most famous people in the world. It's the ultimate Rocky story. Rags to riches is right.
Well, people seem to forget that Conor's a human being. You know, he has emotions. He can be angry. He can be sad. He can be everything. So, you know, I think you really get to see all sides of him. But ultimately, I mean, wow, like what a performer in front of the camera, behind the camera, in the ring. He's just the ultimate sports star, really. Yeah, I mean, really important. He's got a rock solid team behind him. You know, his girlfriend Dee and his team, and you know, they if you watch the film, and the film's spanned over 4 years, they're with them along the way all the time. Their story develops as well. You know, so it's amazing to watch.